we're just getting some breaking news at the moment. Gold and silver continue to crash. Remember, there's been a lot of investment in recent times in gold and silver. But the big news this morning is gold and silver continue to crash. Gold, silver prices have hit their lower circuits today. Prices have crashed ahead of union budget. The price crash amidst the strengthening NG dollar. You want to explain that, Siddharth, for our viewers? What explains gold and silver crashing in this manner?
We had commodity market experts earlier on the show. There are two reasons. One, that this rally was unprecedented. And there is some fundamental, particularly on silver, which regards to the new the new EV age that we are in. But profit booking seems to be the single most important factor. Maybe Rajiv can add to that. And the fact that as far as the global uncertainty is concerned, Greenland and other things that President Trump has been up to have also fed into safe haven buying, and gold, of course, the safest of the safest bets.
No, these things go in a reflexive loop. High prices, in fact, counterintuitively, sometimes bring in even more investors who come in out of greed.
It's the fear of missing out, Rajiv,
yeah,
which is a lot of people
FOMO,
fall for that. FOMO.
Driving it into a parabolic rise.
Okay. Marya, you wanted to give us a graphic on gold rates and how they've gone.
Yes, so this is how it is placed right now. And of course, this is the assessment, as you were pointing out, it has hit the lower circuit. But it's actually showing that, sudden increase post 2024 in the last 2 years. And the increase has been rather sharp from 2025 January onwards. So perhaps in the last 1 year alone, this is how the graph is looking like. So this is the price of gold. And now let's look at the silver prices. That again has been growing up sharply since January 2025. So it is in the last 1 year. And this has to do with how the global, the turbulence has been globally and with regards to geopolitics. I think when we look at these numbers, Rajiv Mantri, come in on this, with both gold and silver hitting the lower circuit just ahead of the budget, should this be read in terms of some kind of announcement which can be also for the government to acknowledge it as a matter of concern?
So I would not read too much into the week-to-week prices, but I think there is a beyond the week-to-week prices, there is a bigger story probably here regarding the status of the dollar in the international economy. I think a lot of analysts and commentators have been looking at that very closely on how the dollar's position is getting weaker and people are seeking alternatives. Now, obviously, there are no alternatives. Maybe, Shankar, you want to also